Hi, Ryder. What are you doing? What you doing? You chilling? What's going on? Chilling with your friend Sophie? How's it going? Hi. Are you gonna wave? Wave. Wave. Oh, you're such a cute little boy. You're such a cute boy. Oh, you're tired. I know it's tiring. You're wearing your pants pretty high up there. You gangster? You being a gangster? What's happening? You chilling in your chair? Hi. What's going on? Look at your little feet. Look at your little feet. They're big feet, though. Yeah, big feet. Ryder. 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 What do you see? What do you see? Hit your giraffes. Hit them. Hit the lion. Hit your giraffe. Ryder. Hi. Oh, you're such a handsome little boy. Handsome little boy. What's going on? What's going on?